Alright, let's get real about StreakLook.com in 2026. If you're scrolling through Snapchat and someone claims there's a site where you can secretly view My Eyes Only memories, best friend lists, or someone's private camera, that's a straight-up red flag. StreakLook.com promises exactly those shady features. And honestly, it sounds too good, or too creepy to be true. Here's the quick verdict. This site is almost definitely a scam. First, let's talk privacy. Snapchat protects your private memories and best friend lists for a reason. No third-party site can break through that encryption. If StreakLook.com says otherwise, they're probably phishing for your login info. Give them your username and password, you could lose your account or worse, your personal data. Second, credible reviews are nowhere to be found. There's a legit company called Streak for email management, but StreakLook.com? Total imposter. No trustworthy reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, or the BBB. When I see that, I run the other way. Third, the security risks are real. These sites love to push phony verification surveys. But instead of getting access to secret snaps, you might end up with malware or your info sold to spammers. So, here's my safety checklist for 2026. Double-check the URL. Look out for fake sites piggybacking off real brands. If a site promises secret hacks for private apps like Snapchat, it's almost always a scam. And always research the domain for real reviews before you click anything. Bottom line, don't risk your account or your privacy for fake promises.